Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2062 code? This code indicates an open circuit in the Reductant Supply Control system of the DEF AdBlue system. If this problem is ignored, the DEF fluid will not be supplied correctly to the exhaust, causing emission system failure. P2062 stands for Reductant Supply Control Circuit, open. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electrical circuit controlling the DEF supply pump or module is open or not responding. This is commonly seen in modern diesel vehicles with SCR systems. Common symptoms include check engine light, DEF system warning, increased emissions, reduced engine power, and possible limp mode or speed limitation. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The reductant supply pump and control module are usually located inside or attached to the DEF tank under the vehicle. The DEF tank is commonly mounted near the rear chassis close to the fuel tank. The DEF lines run from the tank to the reductant injector on the exhaust pipe. The wiring harness connects the DEF pump module to the AdBlue and SCR control unit. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and check reductant supply system operation. Then inspect the wiring harness and connectors near the DEF tank for open circuits, corrosion, or loose connections. Check the DEF pump module and power supply fuse. Also inspect the DEF lines for blockage or disconnection. If the circuit is open or the pump module is faulty, replacement may be required. Finally, repair wiring faults, replace the defective DEF supply module if necessary, clear the code, and perform a drive cycle. Fixing P2062 will ensure proper DEF fluid delivery and stable SCR emission system performance.